Listen. Never knew that I'd have a fresh start. I was far from having a blessed heart. I was suicidal, depressed, and for submission to the flesh. And with a knife I used to, well, you know the next part. Almost every day I was part of commotion. Suffocation was all around me, I call it the ocean. That's deep, still somehow God managed to keep me floating. Over 300 pounds at 12 and I didn't even know him. People would make fun of me, I didn't even know him. Every seed that was ever planted, I probably would hold him. Made me feel worse about my acne while laughing and joking. One guy called me fat on my birthday, so I had to fold him. When I really see that wasn't the plan, but now I understand that what I'm telling you part of the plan. I might was getting bullied, but did it myself as a helping hand, but later repented and somehow me and them became friends. Amen. Hung out in Somerville, grew up in Memphis. In the country I was at peace, but in the city tempted. Guess I was going through too much hell for the record, no Guinness. Couldn't really find reason to show my teeth, I need a dentist. Though I was broken, I really wasn't open enough to show my emotions, except for when I'm exploding off commotion from all the burdens I'm toting. My parents' marriage was broken, it's clear to see, cause the arguments, fights, and cheating was showing. Mama took us to the church, probably from stress that she was holding. We both didn't know that day about the seed that she was sowing. I started using the church to lead a house and kept on going. Faith was slowly growing. I didn't even know that I was chosen. I had a voice, but couldn't hear it. I was letting people's thoughts of me steer it. I was never the kid to be up front with people I ain't wanna hang with. I feared it, so running for my life made me get near it. Voices in my head at 13, but this one was the clearest. He told me to meet him halfway, clear as glass, I couldn't smear it. I was tearing, begging who I didn't know yet just to hear me. He still heard my cry, though I wasn't the purest. Begging who I didn't know yet just to hear me. He still heard my cry, though I wasn't the purest.